Hey, it's Duncan. Welcome back to Free Legal Information Friday. Today we're going to talk about the Minor Injury Guideline. What is it? Do you want to be in it? How do you get out of it? The Minor Injury Guideline is something that comes into play in car accident cases. So when you've been in a car accident, whether it's your own fault or someone else's fault, you have coverage through your own insurance company, from your own automobile insurance company, that's supposed to pay for treatment. It's supposed to pay for things like going to physiotherapy, going to see the chiropractor, going for massage, occupational therapy, counseling, those types of things. The amount of coverage that you have, the amount that your insurance company will pay for those things, depends on how your injuries are classified. And if you're in the Minor Injury Guideline, you are restricted to only $3,500 worth of treatment. And that doesn't really go very far. So what is the Minor Injury Guideline? What is a minor injury? So I'm going to read it. It's a sprain, strain, whiplash, contusion, abrasion, laceration or subluxation, and any clinically associated sequelae. So it's whiplash injuries, it's soft tissue injuries, it's those sorts of things. So you don't want to be in this Minor Injury Guideline because there's not going to be that much money available to pay for treatment, which is meant to help you get better and recover. How do we get out of this Minor Injury Guideline? Well, there's 2 or 3 main ways to get out of the Minor Injury Guideline. The first way is just to show that you don't have a minor injury. So you have something more than a sprain or a strain. The second way is to show that there's something caused by the accident that cannot be treated as easily because you have pre-existing problems. So if I have a pre-existing back injury from before the accident and I get in a car accident and my back injury is made worse, it's going to be harder to treat that back injury because it's a long-standing problem. So if you have a pre-existing injury, then you can get out of the Minor Injury Guideline. The third way out is to come at it from the psychological perspective, from the mental health perspective. Any sort of psychological injury is not covered in the Minor Injury Guideline. So if you need counseling, if you get to a point where you have so much stress as a result of your pain, if you come to a point where you have depression as a result of not being able to do the things that you used to be able to do as a result of your injuries from the accident, then you should be out of the Minor Injury Guideline. So we don't want our clients stuck in the Minor Injury Guideline, and we often have to fight with insurance companies to get them out. Insurance companies love the Minor Injury Guideline. They lobbied for it. They told the government, you should put most people who are hurt in accidents only have minor injuries and shouldn't need that much treatment money. So it's our job to fight and try and get you out of the Minor Injury Guideline if we can. That way you can improve, you can get better, you can increase your quality of life. If you want to talk more about the Minor Injury Guideline, give us a call or email at White Macgillivray Leicester. This has been Free Legal Information Friday on the Minor Injury Guideline.